Good morning, guys. So, as I told you yesterday, that there was a huge earthquake in Japan, right? In Miyazaki Prefecture, there was a huge earthquake around 7.1 Richter scale of earthquake, and everywhere in the news channel, in the office, and in Microsoft Teams of my office, there were chats. Everyone was talking about earthquake, and after coming from office to the share house, in the lounge also I saw people are watching TV, what damage has been done.
The Japanese Meteorological Agency has issued a mega-quake advisory after a magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck Kyushu.
Look at the cars, how they are shaking.
As well as ensuring furniture is fixed in place and checking emergency supplies like food.
We all know that in Japan, low magnitude earthquakes are fine, but this kind of earthquakes are not normal. If you remember Gujarat earthquake which came in 2001, it was 7.6 Richter scale, and this earthquake is 7.1. So not very much difference is there, right? And how much damage was there when Gujarat earthquake was there on 26th January to be precise, 26th January 2001. So you can imagine that how Japan would have been affected by this earthquake. But having said that, this is Japan, so they have made a lot of preparations for earthquakes. So we are assuming that damage is not that much as it was in Gujarat earthquake. You know, I am working in office, so whenever some low magnitude earthquake comes, people say earthquake, theek hai, earthquake, like that. But this time, this earthquake, everyone was shouting Anpika Kakunen, fill your details that you're safe or not, fill the details you are safe or not. So everyone was filling the details on that moment. In that app you have to fill that where you are right now, are you safe or not, whether you can come to office or not. This is just for safety, that you can come to office or not. It's not that they want you to come to office, because many people are working from home also. These are the 4-5 details you have to fill, and then you have to send the mail. So this app details is different from different companies, because I am from a different company, but I'm working in a different company, so I have filled for both the companies. So a little bit difference is there, but yeah, details are almost the same. So guys, today since I don't have anything to carry for my lunch, so I'm going to carry these Korean noodles. So these are the 2 packets that I have bought for myself, so I'm going to eat these 2 packets in my lunch. This is kimchi is written. Korean people eat a lot of kimchi. I think it is made of cabbage. I'm not sure about that, so let's see how it is going to be. If you have ever eaten kimchi, let me know in the comment section. And along with those noodles, I'm also carrying these bananas, because sometimes, you know, as snacks I feel like eating something and I don't have something to eat, so I'm carrying these bananas. Let's go. It's very hot weather today, yaar. Today, after coming back from office, me, Khu and Momo, all 3 are going to sit together and decide the things that we are going to take for Mount Fuji trekking. I think he's tired of running. See, it's good that he's paying attention to his health. Me, not at all paying attention to my health. Simply just going to office, coming back home, making food and sleeping. Can you hear Bhavra? I don't know what Bhavra is called in English, but yeah, Bhavra is there. Okay guys, so the cycle has been parked. Next week, almost all the employees, not almost all the employees, all the employees in my company are getting holidays. It's Natsuyasumi, but I am not getting it. Why? Because I am from different company and I am working in this company because of a project. So my original company rule says that you are not going to get Natsuyasumi. Natsuyasumi means summer holidays. It's sad because everyone in Japan are getting those holidays, but my company rules are like, no, there are no holidays like that. So I have reached my station. Now let's go and board the train. On time. So guys, I've reached office and right now it's 8:25, and right now I am also a little worried that tomorrow and like day after tomorrow I have to go to Mount Fuji, and this is my first Mount Fuji visit. So that's good. I am excited about that, but the thing is that this is the first time I am going to climb a mountain, and first time climbing a mountain, and that too Mount Fuji. Like, I don't know what's going to happen, so I'm a little worried about that. All my friends were saying that you are going for climbing and directly Mount Fuji, what are you doing, why haven't you done any practice and all, like, but actually in the previous month we were thinking of going to some other mountain and do some climbing practice, but every weekend it was raining, so we could not go and I could not do any practice. So let's see how it will be. It's like you have never played cricket and suddenly you have been asked to go to ground and hit a six. Right now, since my office is going to start, not to think about Mount Fuji but think about office, because today I have some difficult work to do in office. So yeah, let's complete that and then I'll talk to you in the evening. Bye. Okay guys, so right now you can see it's 12:26. So this is my break time, so I'm enjoying myself and I thought of making video and I thought of taking few questions. And you know, in the morning I told you that I am taking these noodles for my lunch, but today during the lunchtime I had one packet of noodle and after that I felt like eating curry rice. So I went to my cafeteria and I had curry rice, and after I had curry rice I was feeling satisfied. Maza aa gaya kha ke. Right now I'm walking under the shades, but otherwise you see it's a lot of sunlight is there. It's too hot, and there you can see that Eureka Momme train is passing by. So let's take few questions. And Lalit Suryavanshi is saying, भाई आपने कहाँ से buy करा ये कांजी लॉकेट, प्लीज बताइए. So एक कांजी लॉकेट, okay, you are talking about this locket, right? So to everyone who don't know what he is talking about, so this kanji locket he's talking about, this is Unme. Unme is written and that means destiny or luck, whatever you can say, fate. So I bought this locket online and yeah, so one section was there that what you want to write in kanji in Japanese, so I wrote Unme, and yeah, that's how I made this locket. You also want, let me know in the comment section. I will think what I can do to send it to you. Next question is Ankit Ranjan. Ankit Ranjan is saying, missing your camping vlogs so much bhai. Camping vlogs, when did I upload camping vlogs here? I don't remember exactly. Next question, Ram Krishan is saying, Hilary kaha gayi bhai? Hilary? Kaun Hilary? You guys are watching my videos only, right? It's not that you are watching somebody else's video and commenting on my videos, right? So Chetan Shetty is saying, housekeeping job milega kya? So Chetan bro, if you want to come to Japan and you want to do housekeeping job, it's fine. But first make up your mind that you're ready to do housekeeping jobs. Because maybe right now you're thinking, I want to go to Japan no matter what kind of job I get. I want to go to Japan. But after coming to Japan, if you think that no, I can't do housekeeping job, then it will be a trouble for you. So just think carefully whether you are willing to do housekeeping job or you just want to go to Japan. What is it exactly? And this is not only for Chetan but also for other people who just want to go to Japan no matter how, but they want to go to Japan. So don't just think like that. My personal opinion would be like that. Okay, so let's take one more question and last question. DSCE Karthik is saying that, hi bro, your commute from home to office and vice versa is complex. Nice that you have discipline to go to work like that every day. And by the way, you have started adding more background music in your videos, which is making watching experience much better. So thank you Karthik. So I would like this kind of feedback so that I understand whether you are liking different kind of background music or you are getting irritated because of that. Because maybe my thinking is different and audience thinking is different. So if you guys like anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you don't like anything, that also let me know in the comment section. Now it's 12:35 and my break will get over at 12:45, like in 10 minutes. So let's go back to office. I will see you in the evening. Right now the time is 6:11 and I have logged off. Now let's reach Minaminagarayama and then I'll talk to you. It's very noisy here. Bartan. Okay guys, so I've reached back home and see what I've got. Ta-da! So this is sushi and one tofu roll and I got this for 30% off, so I bought it. So I'm going to eat this today. Very quick, very cute looking food. So let me unbox it. Whenever I listen to the word unbox, the Flipkart, Amazon comes to my mind. Okay, let's open it. Okay guys, so let me open this in front of you. And these are the ingredients written. So let's open it. Very cute, right? Small sushi and this roll. So let me show you. So this is not something to eat. This is just for decoration, okay? So when you come to Japan and you see something like this in any box, don't eat it. This is plastic, okay? And now let's eat this. I don't have any chopsticks right now with me, so let me eat it with hands, like Indian style. So I got this box for around 130 yen. So I thought it was a good deal, so I bought it. So I'm very excited to eat this. My tape is there. Guys, this is sushi. I think everyone knows about sushi, right? So this is seaweed. This is nori. This black color, this is seaweed, made of seaweed, and this is rice, Japanese rice, which are sticky, and inside we have filling. Oishi. Oishi means tasty. Now let me eat this. Now eat this. This is not tofu roll. Here you see rice is there, Japanese rice, and this roll is of egg, I think so. It's a little sweet in taste. Now I'm going to go downstairs and prepare rajma chawal. So it will take a lot of time. So I thought of buying this and eat it. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, like the button, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. Then only you will get all the notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and have fun.
अब ये भी मुझे सिखाना पड़ेगा आपको।
और हाँ, ये भूल के भी मत खा लेना।